Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I am in a great, excellent mood today. Since you stopped by, you might as well like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. You guys, this video almost didn't get posted, okay? It was hectic. Oh my goodness. We're going to get into that, but let me get a couple bites in. We're trying something new today. It's called Bodega, and they are a non-vegan, vegan deli. So I'm so happy about that. You guys, this is like a vegan chicken Philly. Look at the chicken. It literally looks like meat. Pretty good. So, and I have my bottle of ranch over here. But, let's get right into it, guys. I'm starving. And honestly, I actually have a vegan steak one. But I ended up eating that one earlier because my phone, for whatever reason, decided to shut off. And I was like, oh my God, this cannot be happening. I have so many videos that I haven't even posted yet. I don't want to have to start all the way over. And I don't know what that was all about. But thank goodness I took it to the phone store and the girl did like a little bit of boop, 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 boop. And we're back in action. And that makes me want to just like upload all my videos now because I do not want to have to get a new phone, guys. I barely have this one that long. You guys, I remembered my drink today. I was prepared. And the last few places I've been getting food from haven't even been giving me napkins. This place provided napkins. Thank you. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, blessed day. I know it's like cutting off the top of my head, but whatever. Oh, my child. Xavier! Go see what the baby wants, please. Okay. Oh, this little baby today. Oh my goodness. I don't know what is going on. Thank you. This is actually really good. It's called Bodega. I put on my jewelry just to go to the bodega. I want my ranch. Oh wow. I definitely like the vegan chicken better. And the seasonings are different. I like this, guys. Tyrone, come here. Xavier! Xavier! Go bring the baby. Bring me Tyrone, please. I don't know what is wrong with him. Yo, this video might not even get posted. I'm not gonna lie, because my baby is upset and he doesn't want to tell anybody what's wrong. I'm sorry, you guys. I do have to make sure. You know, I thought my kids were good before I got on this camera. They're fed. They're all doing their own thing in separate rooms. So I thought I was good to go. But we may have videos like this sometimes. You know, that's just real life. My older kids are being goofy in the background. I will never touch a piece of meat ever again in my life. Now that I see what vegan food is like, and it's not even that bad, and it's way better for you. Like what? I want to try vegan wings. That sounds so good. Like different flavor vegan wings. I think, if I'm not mistaken, they just use cauliflower. But I want somebody else to make it so I can see what it's like before I try to make it. Cause I am, you know, most of my videos will be like a food that I cooked. But, you know, sometimes you just don't feel like it. You know? It's so much easier just to, you know, get the food and just hop on the video instead of slaving in the kitchen. But that slaved in the kitchen food hit different. You guys, that's how I know God is on my side, because I've been talking about all these videos that I have in the chamber since I started back posting on YouTube. And by the grace of God, I'm just so freaking happy that my phone came back on. I would have been so upset, honestly. Like, and I was looking, you know, I don't look that great today, but, you know, my other videos, you know, I put a little effort in, you know. But some days you might get me like this. Some days you might see me in a robe. Just know, all those days and most of those times, yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. My brain froze up on me. You guys, I cannot wait till the weather gets nice. I want to like do stuff with my kids so bad. I cannot wait to see. And I'm going to keep praying. My goal is to actually like, I don't know, like I really want to be successful on YouTube. You know, I have a goal that I set for myself. I'm not going to talk about it too much, but I want to get things popping this summer, okay? And my birthday's in Pride Month. Oh. You guys, we're spicing things up on this channel, okay? We got to. I'm losing all my insides. I've been off. I go back to work tomorrow, guys. Ugh. Can't wait till I don't have to say that anymore. But honestly, this is what I was thinking. As much as I want to be a stay-at-home mommy and not have to leave the house ever again and just be fully dedicated to being an introvert, yeah. I was honestly thinking about still working at my job, you know, because of like the health benefits, you know, just like work part-time but work enough hours so where I can keep the health benefits. And sure, I can use that, the tax money that I get from working at a job, I can use that to pay my taxes, because that's how much I'm trying to get into this YouTube stuff. I'm gonna work a part-time job, and at the end of the year when it's tax time, file my taxes, use some of that money to pay for YouTube taxes. Cause YouTube gonna be bringing in that bag. Gonna be bringing out that bag. Let me stop. I don't even know. I'm manifesting things right now, okay, guys? I'm speaking into existence because I'm tired of going through the same BS over and over and over. Like, I don't want to just look forward to a nice check deposited into my account once a year, okay? I need that every month on the 21st. You know? So, we'll see, you guys. We'll see. I hope you guys like what I have in store. I hope you love my energy. You know, because I'm always like a happy, vibrant person. I'm really silly. You know, I like to make people laugh. And oh, excuse me. That literally just slipped out of nowhere. But yeah, I'm so laid back and chill. Yeah. That's me. And that's the kind of people I like to have in my life, you know. Laid back, positive, hustling people. Even though I literally don't have anybody in my life, like, outside of like my kids and my mom, and I'm completely happy with that. I am content because I don't have time for drama. I don't have time for nonsense. I don't have time for BS. Like, I'm in my era where it's like, if I don't want to deal with it, I literally do not have to. Like, my life is on do not disturb real bad. Let me tell you. If I'm not feeling your vibe, like, for what? For what? Oh, I'm getting full, you guys. I'm just so freaking excited, but like I'm scared at the same time, you know. Like I'm excited, but I'm scared to be successful. I mean, that's a really bad thing to say. I say that because you know other people don't want to see you doing better than them, and you never know. Like sometimes people will go to extreme measures, you know, to stop the good that you got going on in your life. That's the type of people I don't have time for. I gotta protect what's mine at all costs. Like I literally wish. Well, I would love to move my kids far away enough to where nobody knows where we're at, but they can still go to school and I can still get Amazon packages delivered. Big purr, big purr. You know, build a literal house, like my dream home, just on acres and acres of land. You know, get a riding lawnmower. Because I don't care about going to stores and, like, stuff like that. Like, I'd rather have all my stuff, like, delivered. You know, like, it's just so much that goes through my mind on a daily on how I can do better, you know? Because I'm 30, pushing 31, and I'm not where I want to be in life yet. Not yet. It's coming. But we're taking baby steps. You know, it's like we're taking baby steps. It's like we're, you know, I want to hit that growth spurt. You know, I mean, I know you gotta crawl before you walk, but it's like this is not my first go around, you know, with YouTube, and I told you guys that before, but it's like we walking this year. We running. Fuck that. Oh. Oh my God. Now I'm gonna have to go back and edit that. Am I gonna have to edit that, guys? Like, are they really gonna trip off of that? Kelsey, you're dumb. I hope they don't, man. See, I try to avoid making mistakes in my videos so that I don't have to go back and edit them because sometimes that's just a pain in the butt. You know, I want to be able to come out here for my little time, add my intro, add my outro, boom, upload. I can't believe I just did that. Yeah, I was at the store, the phone store today. I told you that earlier. And it's like, people are out here spending so much freaking money on iPhones just because they're trendy. But what's the point when the Androids look exactly like iPhones pretty much? I'm on an Android right now. This is a Galaxy. I forgot which one, but it's a Galaxy. But like my camera is clear. You know, and I thought like the iPhone was like known for like having like the best camera in the world. Girl. I don't understand. Cause I'm just looking around, I picked one up and I was like, this looks just like the iPhone though. Whichever one just came out. They have so many, like, I don't understand. I mean, it's cute or whatever, I guess, but do y'all really like it just for it being an iPhone, or do you like it just for, like, the looks and the name? Oh my God, get in there. I would literally eat, You know how like the Philly cheesesteak or chicken Philly cheesesteak, whatever. I would literally eat it with just the cheese and peppers and the bread. That's how I eat my Subway sandwiches. No meat. Ever since I got pregnant with, well, I'm not going to say that, but that's when it got worse. Like, when I was pregnant with my 3-year-old, I could not stand meat. I could not stand the smell of pepperoni on a pizza. I would gag. I was gagging. And that's, like, kind of how my ex caught on to, like, me being pregnant. I was like, I can't eat meat. I don't know what it is, but I like it like that. You know, it's better for you, I guess. Like, oh my goodness, you guys. Another day, another day. I really, man. Life is good, you guys. Life is good. You know, it's like, it could be like a whirlwind at times, but sometimes you just gotta go with the wind and not against it, if that makes sense. I love flavored water. Excuse me. Especially clear American flavored water, because they have so many different flavors. My favorite one, my 2 favorite ones, I can never find anymore, and that's the Fiji apple and then the cotton candy one. I love the cotton candy one so much. But it's like every single time I go looking for it now, I can't find her. I cannot find her. Excuse me. But yep, you guys, I have reached my maximum capacity of eating for the day. I feel like what I ate today, like, it was supposed to be 2 different videos, but I ate like 2 days worth of food in one day. That's not good. That is not good. I overdid it today. That's why, like, I try to stick to light foods, but this was like, it was vegan. I got all excited about it and wanted to try it, but it's all that bread for me. Woo! That bread just sitting on my stomach. But alright, you guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. If you stuck with me this long, I hope you're already subscribed to the channel with your notifications on, and I hope you liked my video. Sorry, something popped up. I hope you like my video, and I hope you're interacting with me in the comments down below, because I want to know who all's here. I want to know what you guys love to see. What would you want to see in my next video? But anyways, you guys, have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time.